welcome to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and as the thumbnail suggests, you can guess that this video is an opportunity for me to pour out my heart, because it seems like my hair and I are in a complicated relationship. While I don't know who is really to blame, but I know I have my own fair share of the whole thing. So the past month has been a bit too busy for me, and then I had my hair loose. So this is what I mean. I had my hair loose, although I twisted it and just packed it up, right? For most of the time, my styling was more of maybe just bringing it like this, just maneuvering it, okay? But because the hair was in this chunky, loose style, I didn't really moisturize it. I didn't oil it that much as I should. And of course, my hair started drying out, the shaft, my scalp. Mind you, this was after like another 3 weeks of kind of abandoning my hair because of busyness in quotes, but I just didn't have the drive to really do all the nurturing and all that, probably because I was investing more time in my daughter's hair care. But that's not an excuse. I just feel I was in a place that I needed to focus on other things and just do minimal maintenance on my hair. But my hair became angry. I could feel it on my scalp. I don't feel as happy as I used to. Like, I don't even feel as confident as I should feel with my natural hair. Even when people try to comment, it's looking beautiful, is this, is that, in my mind I'm just like, you guys don't know that I'm not in a good relationship with this hair. We are just managing ourselves, all right? But I decided we are entering a new month, so the coming month is that month that I'm really going to nurture my hair. Because one thing that I benefit when I'm taking care of my natural hair is the fact that there's this deep sense of self-care beyond maybe getting a manicure, pedicure, or maybe when I used to weave or even do wigs. Is quite different, all right? It really soaks in when I'm taking care of my natural hair, both on wash days, moisturizing and maintaining it, right? So I made the decision I'm going to deeply nourish my hair. For the past 4 weeks, so to say, I haven't deep conditioned. I think I've washed once in 3 weeks, and that's unlike my usual routine. I normally wash every week, at the most every 2 weeks. So you can imagine. And in between these 3 weeks, I've been working out. And that brings me to telling you that if you want your hair to be healthy, you want to retain length, you want your hair to really be full, bushy, and all the good stuff about a healthy natural hair care, you must invest in some level of workout. Because when you exercise, blood circulation around your scalp increases. Whether you do daily scalp massage or not, your scalp just gets enough blood circulation to enhance hair growth and help you retain growth during the growth phase and the fall phase. All right, so I want to just do my simple wash day, but I will moisturize deeply. I will not do a leave-in, what is it called, a deep conditioning that I will carry for maybe an hour or two. I still don't have that time, but I'm going to make sure that I detangle the hair before I wash it, and then use my souffle styler. This is my conditioner. I'll use it to deep condition it, so to say. Leave it for about 5 minutes, rinse it off, and then just apply more on the hair. Use the hair butter and hair oil, and that'll be it for this wash day. So first things first, you don't start working on your hair when you want to wash it without at least wetting it. So this is just plain water. It was actually warm because my hair is typical 4C, and you can see, because I kind of neglected it, it's not as soft as I want it to be, as it used to be, right? So I really need to do a lot of detangling, and I hope I'm not going to lose hair. I believe that the natural products will help me retain a lot of hair length this month and reduce the breakage. So I'll just saturate my hair with this warm water, saturate it, and then probably help it to sink with my fingers. If I had enough time, another thing that I could have done is to just cover this hair with my shower cap or even a scarf and just ensure that my hair kind of drinks the water. You know, when you have bushy hair or your hair is growing very well, oh, you really have to be ready. Your water spray, your hair food, I mean hair oil, hair butter, conditioner, you just have to be ready to, you know, apply a lot, because the hair will just seem to not get enough. It's like that seed that doesn't have enough of anything. Just throw anything and you can take it. So I'll saturate it like this, and you can see it's becoming a little bit softer. So to aid it, I want to use some of the conditioner. So I go like so. So this is it. It's kind of soft, and then I try to apply some. Okay, so combing is totally optional, and if you must comb, make sure to do it very gently, because hair length retention is all about retaining more hair that you're growing than the one you're losing through combing, your weaves, and all the protective styling that you do. So you can see this is like the hair loss that I'm seeing from this. Well, not too bad, but it can be better. So once I'm done, you see it's separating because of the conditioner. I twist this. So I'm going to do all of this round my hair and then get into the bathroom and do justice to it. Wash it, apply this same conditioner again,